Yo, what's up you guys? So in the Miata, I got the drift button, as they say. I'm gonna try to install it. Got it from I think it was eBay, like 10 bucks. So let's check it out. So you're supposed to unscrew this one, and there's a spring in there, and then you screw this one back on. So let's see how it goes. It's pretty hard to do with your hand. Let's see if I could get it with this. So I got it clamped on there pretty good. So you just twist. So I got the button removed. Now should be the spring. Hopefully can focus. There we go. She's acting up. Made the mistake of removing it down like this, and I lost the rod that's in there. So I had to use a magnet, pulled it all the way up, grabbed the rod, and pulled it back up. Now I'm screwing the button back on. So yeah, make sure this is up and put your vehicle in gear. So got the drift button on. This is if you want to use the e-brake, and this is if you want to do the skids. Boom. Yeah. See? Pull it. And then if you want to use the e-brake, boom. Working e-brake. So again, when you remove this, make sure it's up so the rod is sticking up. And also, I had a hard time pulling out the spring for some reason. I think it was jammed in there, so I just yeeted it out of there. Yep. So that concludes today's episode, putting the drift button on the NB Miata. Next thing will be just doing an oil change. I gotta add just a little bit of coolant on my coolant reservoir because I'm taking the Miata to a track day, and I'm going to compete in the Roadster Cup over at Willow Springs. So I'll try to videotape most of that for you guys and make an episode out of that. So catch you guys next time.